Quick, juicy, sweet, and spicy chicken. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all. I'm the Brooklyn chef, and today we're gonna make juicy chicken quickly. This is a freestyle video. I really wasn't planning on making this video, so I did not include measurements, but it's about the principle. I just wanted quick chicken and I didn't feel the need to, or I didn't want to marinate for a whole night, so I'm like, let me just do it this way. So basically, you're gonna start off with washed chicken. Make sure you wash your chicken properly before you season it, because I know some of you people, you don't know how to wash your chicken. You need to use vinegar, lime, and water before proceeding to season it. Add your bell pepper, your onion, and your seasoning, and then allow it to cook for 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll get back right to that. So in a bowl, me gonna make me own marinade, and I'm using sunflower oil. I'm using a whole lot of stuff. I'm using soya sauce, oyster sauce, seasoning that I really want. I added a whole lot of cayenne pepper because I like my chicken to be extremely spicy, I added oregano. You just feel free to freestyle. Add what you like. Dip your chicken into your marinade and pour the remaining marinade over the leftover chicken. Put it in the oven for 150 degrees Celsius, for 25 to 40 minutes, and you got that sweet, juicy chicken like that. Check out my blog.